Want to know how much you can earn from bonds in India? Let's get straight to it, starting with government bonds. In India, the 10-year government bond yield is currently around 6.6% per year. This means if you invest rupees 1 lakh, you can expect roughly around 6,600 annually in interest. Longer-term government bonds like 30-year bonds offer a slightly higher yield, around 7.3% annually. If you are looking for higher returns, then Indian corporate bonds currently offer yields ranging from 7% to 14%, depending on credit ratings and issuer. Remember, higher yields can mean higher risk. Government bonds are considered safer but with moderate returns, while corporate bonds can boost your earnings but come with more credit risk. Your earnings also depend on how long you hold the bond. Hold to maturity for steady returns, sell early, and prices may change, affecting your profit. So, bonds can be a dependable source of income with 6 to 14% fixed return. If you learned something new today, like and subscribe to Fixed Returns Academy channel.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments, mutual funds are subject to risks, including delay and/or default in payment. Read all the offer-related documents carefully.